Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Lumbung Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Tsangarwa. Darasi na 34, Lesson 34. Wakilin suna nunau, demonstrative pronoun. Wannan, this. Wancan, that. Waccar, that. Waɗannan, these. Waɗancan, those. Misalai a cikin jimloli. Examples in sentences. Wannan yaron kirki ne. This is a kind boy. Don Allah miƙo min littafin can. Please give me that book. Wannan farar hular. This white cap. Wancan keken babba ne. That bicycle is big. Waccar kazar ta yi ƙwai. That hen laid egg. Waɗancan ‘yan makaranta ne. Those are pupils. Waɗancan manoma ne. Those are farmers. Waɗannan matan malamai ne. These women are teachers. My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://lumbungilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.